Hello guys, so I want you to watch me withdraw money from one of my online business dashboard. Okay, so on this dashboard I use Seller, right? So I use Seller to sell the products that I'm selling. So I'm just gonna go to this option here, and then I'll go to dashboard. Oh, sorry, I'll go to wallets and payout, and then I'm gonna go to payout. Or let's just go to wallet first. So you can see I have like 391,950,000 naira. So what I will do here is to click on withdraw. I can actually specify how much I want to withdraw, but in this case I will withdraw everything to my bank account. Okay, so I'm just, and they say withdrawal fee is 50 naira. So I'm just gonna go to withdraw. Right, so say transfer initiated. Please wait at least 24 hours for funds to reflect in your bank or mobile money wallet. Right, so you can see the available to withdraw is now 0 naira. So I'm just gonna wait until this money arrives. So usually they will send an email, then they would then send the money into my bank account. Like they said here, it's going to take about 24 hours. I'm withdrawing it right now on a Friday, on a Saturday. So I don't know if they will pay the following day or maybe until working day like Monday. But anyhow, I'm going to wait until they pay, and then I will update this video. Okay. Wow, so it's not even up to 24 hours and the money was sent to my bank account. As you can see, this is the first bank account. So let's open it and see how much is sent there. So when I check it, you can see now that the money, before now I had about, how much was it that I had there? I think I had 59,000 because money was credited from Espatnia for one of my sales, which is 8,000 naira. But you can see here that the 391,900 naira actually came in, and the balance that I have right now is 451,477 naira. Actually, this is not like the main account that I use because I'm currently in the UK, so I just use this bank account, right, to just get money, and then I'll then send it to my account in the UK, or I use it to purchase things online in Nigeria. So basically, you can see that the money actually came into my account even before what is it called now, before 24 hours time, because you can see this money actually came in by 109, right? Not very far from when we initiated the withdrawal. So guys, this is absolutely real. It's super real, right? And if I go to, for example, now if I go to, let's check my bank account. This is the first bank account, first money. So let's see if the money is actually in my bank account, because some people are like, oh, this probably that's just a text message. So I'm just going to use my thumbprint to log in. Right, so this is the, yeah, you can see, right? So this is it. Let's click on it and see if it will give us the balance. Right, can you see? So it's the same thing that you saw from the text message that you're also seeing here, right? So you see that the money actually came in and it is real. It is from Seller, all right? Seller withdrawal. So this, guys, this is absolutely real. This is super real. If you want to go into business like this, all you need to do is to develop a hot selling product that people are interested in, and then sell it online. And I created a free tutorial on how you can get started, right? Of course, it's at the end of the day, I'm going to offer you something which I hope that you'll be able to work with me for just some people that are interested in working with me, because this, this online business is not a joke. It's not for people who are lazy. It's not for people who just want to make money without doing anything. It's for people who want to work, right? It's for people who want to work and make money. Now, I'm not going to deceive you just because I want you to get my course. No, but if you want to learn how you can get started, okay, just go to just go to the website that I told you about, which is the sholamatthew.com/free WSB. right? So let me go to that website for you now, just so you see. Where is it? Let's go to Chrome. I just want to show you how it's gonna look like. So I'm in Chrome right now, so I'm just gonna go to Sola Mathew. So just give me a minute. Let me just type it. I just want to show you, yeah, how it's gonna look like. So this is the website, okay? So it say free. Can you see? Free video reviews, the 3-step formula to turning your WhatsApp into a cash generating machine. Join the ranks of those making a difference and cashing in on WhatsApp. The godfather of WhatsApp sales is finally ready to reveal his proven secret 3-step formula for turning your WhatsApp into a profit generating cash machine. Anyway, basically you can see the transformation, the stories of those people that has worked for. All right, all you need to do is to click on any of this button, and you're going to just put in your email here. Please put in the correct email, because you might not get the guide if you don't put in the correct email. Okay, so after you put in your correct name and email, right, then you click on reserve my seat or get the guide, and you're gonna get it. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Okay, I look forward to seeing you on the other side, so that we can make this money together. We can impact more people's lives together, because really making money is not about just making money, it's about impacting other people's lives. So if you impact other people's lives, you definitely make money. That is the way it works. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the video, in the guide. I look forward to seeing you on the other side, and I look forward to you taking action to transform your life for good. See you on the other side.